probably looks like a lot of old junk. But let me clarify something. Some of it is new. I know it seems like, well, it's a lot. For us, it's everything. Now you met the gatherers. You may call me Kimbe. We humbly call ourselves the gatherers because we search the galaxy for ancient relics, forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets. And what we find, we bring here. So for those stormtroopers that see only worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history. And in these troubled times, preserving our past might just ensure our future. Now, you have all heard of the legend of Luke Skywalker, yes? 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 Well, we hear that there's another, a new Jedi. And you know her name, right? What's her name? Rey. And what she is leading is this spark of hope all the way forward. And that is why you're here. To look ahead. And to build this, a lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and darkest enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. To build a saber is an art. The lightsaber is a reflection of the builder, the force flowing between them. And today, you get to feel that connection. Oh, enough of my talking. Let's begin. Now, we begin with perhaps the most important component of a lightsaber, the kyber crystal, able to focus the energy of the force, to magnify it. Some say the kyber crystal is the heart of a lightsaber. The color of the crystal determines the color of the saber's blade. Blue, wielded by the great master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now we hear Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal, rare and beautiful like the one wielded by Mace Windu. Red, sometimes called the color of power, the crystal of Darth Maul, the Sage Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But these are all the stories of the past. We're here for you, our future. It's time for you to select your kyber crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. Please indulge me for a moment and close your eyes. Okay, close your eyes. Now, picture all the kyber crystals I've described. Which one calls to you? Now, in your mind's eye, select your kyber crystal. And remember, it is equally likely that the crystal is choosing you. Now, open your eyes and take your crystal. And once you've selected your crystal, please place it in the crystal holder in front of you. Well done, everyone. Now it is time for you to join your kyber crystal with the saber design that you selected. It's time for you to build your hilt. The hilt is the foundation of your lightsaber. The hilt is your center of control. The hilt is also the part that prevents your hand from being disintegrated. In these boxes are all the lightsaber components that you previously selected. Very exciting. Inside, you will find your chassis, your activation plates, your grips, emitters, and pommel caps. Building a lightsaber is a very personal journey. And just as you selected your pyro crystal, you will select each part of your lightsaber to create one that is uniquely yours. The gatherers are here to help, don't hesitate to ask. And everyone, with that, please, let's build!
So if you want to try mine, check it Excellent. And can we spin it in place? Excellent. So over in column 5, we have the two pairings. So you can choose from. Choose a pair of grips, one for the top and one for the side. And on the activation point, use the threaded edge and stand towards the activation point here. You're going to push in and twist in order to get into the third. Alright, so now that you test out your activation switch, when it makes a sound, you're going to choose any two of those four bits. One for the top and one for the bottom. When you start your next switch, excellent. So in columns 1 and 2, we have 4 groups of one for the top and one for the bottom. This one goes on the top and the bottom, so they're all interchangeable. The only part that matters is that there's a thicker leaf and a thicker side for all 4 groups. That thicker side has to go toward the activation plate. So if you flip it, that's the thicker side. And the way to attach them is by applying about a quarter of this with some pressure. You should attach as such. Now they have your grips on. Section 3 is one of the two. Choose from the Once you will start your next step, choose the next emitter. There's your emitters, you'll choose one of them for the top. And then come across to the bottom, you'll choose one and then both simply twist on. Now your last and final step will be choosing a component without it. And that's that activation switch, so when your head makes sense to activate, you'll be ready. Are you all satisfied with it?
Alright, that's good.
So your last beat is deactivated.
No, it's lost.
You like that wider? There we go. So, power control. I like cats. Why? You always like it. So, the design. What color do you want to do?
take sides. I opted dark side. You gotta get to the dark side? Well, it's always a good balance. The dark and the As we said before, building a lightsaber is a very personal journey. We choose our sabers for different reasons. Our young one in here built his saber all by himself. Very good. Very impressive for such a young one. And I said about the elemental natures with the Rancor teeth. Now with the Rancor teeth, very difficult to get those teeth from a Rancor beast. They are powerful creatures. Which is why I'm very happy to say that we just found those on the ground. We didn't have to wrestle. But no, scavengers, scrappers, you know, get what you can find. Now one thing I like to ask people is, how long have you been thinking about building a lightsaber? I'm trying to find out who's been thinking about dreaming up this the longest. So, over a year? Anybody been wanting to build a saber over a year? Over 2 years? Over 5 years? Okay, so, how long? Okay, oh wow. Who else? Who else has been thinking about building a long time? I saw your hand. What is
35 years.
35?
25.
Hey, that's still impressive. So 35 years. So what made you decide to choose this university? Well, nature. So are you outdoors type of folk? Okay. I don't know what that means, but all right, everyone, just let's take a moment and appreciate the work you've done. Everyone, take in a deep breath. And if you haven't already, let that air. Well, we have completed your lightsabers, and nothing traumatic or unexpected happened, because why would it? Again, now comes a little bit of danger, so please leave your sabers as is and take a step back. Gatherers. Now, what the gatherers are doing is stabilizing the crystals for activation. Very precarious work, dangerous, only to be done by those who trained many years. Oh, sir, you are so brave to stand there. I'm not at liberty to tell you what's in those containers, but I will tell you that eventually your beard will grow back. I'm like 95% sure. What's happening?
Much skill have you shown. Chosen for yourself, you have. Now, join. You will be. It is time.
Mr. Yoda? Indeed, it is time to take that first step. We've reached the final stage. The bond between Builder and Saber is about to be forged. In a moment, I'll ask you all to take a step forward, place your hand on your hilt, and on my signal, we'll all activate at the same time. Is everyone ready?
Yes.
Good. Take a step forward. Hand on your hilt. And activate. Builders, raise your lightsabers. You have built a lightsaber. The Jedi and Sith came before you. And just like them, you too can change the galaxy. Please, deactivate your sabers.
Complete your lightsaber is. Light your path, it can. Choose your path, only you can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. In your hands you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power must not be dropped on the ground. So, to protect your new lightsabers, we offer you these saber shifts. Our time together has come to an end. But your journey is just beginning. It's your time to go out and make your mark on the galaxy. Remember, you are as extraordinary and unique as the sabers you created. And maybe next time, someone will be telling your story.
till the spire.